Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Special thanks to our veteran viewers who have grown with us. Please join the community, subscribe now, and stay updated. How kind rodents could rat on our real life traffickers. While the jury is still out on whether or not the African kind pouch rat is a cute, it is a header to Danny is the impressive power of its nose. Tanzania-based non-profit Apopo has already demonstrated the ability of the cat-sized rodents which it calls pseudorads to sniff out lead means and tuberculosis and even survivors among rural in a natural disaster zones. But now the organizations is turning to attention and its arrests noses to the global illegal wildlife trade estimated to be worth up to $23 billion per year, listed wildlife trafficking to the fourth largest illegal trade industry worldwide, following a counterfeit product, drugs, and humans. Verify is deemed to be a low-risk commodity, says a Crawford Iron Vice President of a Nature Crimes and a Policy Advocacy at the Fairfield, who have over 30 years experience working on a bill file crime. Unfortunately, organized crime now their real weak spot in a detection method of sports. Seaports and the airport are particular in Africa. Traffickers disguise will find product in a whole host of a way to explain livery. For example, might be stained to look like wood or heroin, with an rope to a chip line and even cut up into the chocolate bar shaped pieces coated to in chocolate and a wrap up in their packaging and in the attempt to slip past visual and X-ray inspections, typing out crime. This is where the rat and their acute scent of a smell come in according to a new research led by Apobo and published from the Frontiers in the Conversation Science. Their rates have been successfully trained in a research facility to snipe up a elephant tusk, rhino horn, a pangolin scale, and African blackwood which iron who not involved in the and in the research says are some of the most common wildlife products to be trafficked out of the Africa. Doctor Lizzie wrote to a behavioral research kindness leading the project suggests using rats as a complementary tool to be dogs which are already used to detect wildlife are contraband dogs and amazing if you are looking to trekking through the Serengeti National Park in the Tanzania. You are not going to use a rat of that, she says, however, being very small and agile rates have the upper hand in the densely packed and shipping containers. She explained, unlike dogs and the rat are happy to work with the multiply handles and are largely owing to their smaller size are much a chapter cheaper to train and maintain to transport claims routes. This is a particularly important given that much of the illegal life then comes of the world process region. Alan identifies cost as the major issue in the detecting trafficking wildlife product, stating that we need to find some cheaper, more sustainable solution of a detection in Africa. In the ad, the improving detection method increase the risk for illegal wildlife traders, which in turn gives up economical prices and a thinking demand. I am hopeful that using rats from a detecting will be a low cost, high impact, low footprint operation, says Iron Carrap, assistant professor in psychiatry and behavioral science at Duke University in North Carolina and one of the lead authors of the study. Tells CN that one of the biggest advantage of using that electrically so short training time. There has also been trust with live detection rates from the Singapore and France, she added. Trailing these research finding the real world Apollo last year conducted a proof of the concept study at the seaport of Dar es Salaam in the Tanzania, which handled 95% of the country international trade. Apollo says that it has found over 83% of the planetary targets of an even which item which are concealed by a regularly used and scanned masking product. When the rat identifies a target, it alerts its handler by using the front paws to pull a little ball attached to the costume made and new prawns which are tigers became and the illegal life trade not only impact population of the trafficking animal or plant in Cavia, devastating knock on the consequence for how like chemistry studies suggests that the conception of illegally traded to our life can also lead to the spread of a zoonotic disease such as the Ebola virus, monkeypox virus, serious acute respiratory syndrome, SARS, clever curiosity linears, Africans, blind proposed Post that having an average lifespan of around 8 years of a training time of 1 year is a worthwhile long-term investment that saves you. There is a consist of Monday through Friday training season regularly interspersed with a playtime in a big outdoor canal field with the rope toys and a running wheels. The raised eye level of intelligence and curiosity makes them good student and explain. If you need to get them to do something new, you just draw with the in their inner training enclosure and wait for them to figure it out. Like people each had a different character she had. She have animals that might get in the first try, and you might have animals that take a little time, but then become the uh, absolute superstar once they figure it out. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like this video, have a nice time. Goodbye.